certificate is imperative to an LMS, and users of Tutor LMS know that we power our LMS with the amazing Tutor LMS Certificate Builder. In today's Academy video, we are going to go over the certificate settings of Tutor LMS and then go over the options found in the Certificate Builder. We are not going to take a full in-depth look at certificate building as we already have a video on that. Links will be down in the description. So with that out of the way, let's get started. Before we start with the certificate settings or the certificate builder, we need to ensure a couple of things. So step 1, we need to download and install the Certificate Builder plugin. To install the Tutor LMS Certificate Builder, go to the Themium website and sign into your account. Once you're at Downloads, you will find the Download Latest option for the Tutor LMS Certificate Builder. Go ahead and download this file. Once the file is downloaded, you're going to go back to WordPress and install it just like you would any other plugin. So we navigate to Plugins and we upload a plugin. And here you're going to choose the file that you've just downloaded and install it. Once it's uploaded and installed, just go ahead and hit Activate Plugin, and that should install the Certificate Builder for you. Now, step 2. We need to activate the certificate add-on. So it's pretty straightforward. We go to the Tutor LMS add-ons menu, and from here we scroll down to find the certificate add-on, and we just toggle the turn it on. There we go. We're done with all the prep work. Now we can go over to the Tutor LMS certificate settings and get started. So once at the certificate settings page, we can see a big banner firstly where clicking the Create Certificate button will take you to the Certificate Builder. Below, we can see 2 tabs. All certificates will show all the certificates that you have previously created, and you will be able to edit them from here. We still haven't created a certificate, so it's still empty. Then, clicking on the certificate settings, we can configure all the certificate settings within the Tutor LMS certificate. So, firstly, we have the Allow Instructors to Use Templates built by Admin toggle. Enabling this toggle would let instructors to be able to use the certificate templates that admins have created. If turned off, instructors will not have access to them. After that, we can set the authorized name. So the name you set here will be printed under the signature on your certificates, and following that, we can add the authorized company name, which will appear below the authorized name. Then we can toggle if we want to show the instructor name on the certificate itself, and then another toggle to add the certificate link in the email a student gets once the course is completed. And lastly, we can upload a signature that can be used to add our signature in the certificates we make. Okay, so that was the general overview of the certificate settings. So now let's quickly go over to the Certificate Builder and see what's in there. So, clicking the Create Certificate button, as we said, takes us to the Certificate Builder. So let's go ahead and go to the Certificate Builder. Once here, we are first greeted by this pop-up where we can make a certificate from scratch or use one of the many available pre-built templates. Let's go ahead and select this template. So we see that we have 5 tabs to the side. We can go back and change the template if we want, and also alter the orientation between landscape and portrait. Since we're not doing any of that, let's go ahead straight to the elements, and the elements here are all draggable. So say we want our certificate to have a QR code. So we just click on the element and drag and drop it onto the certificate. Then we have the Media tab where we can upload our own media or find some from Unsplash. The Library tab contains a lot of icons and shapes that we can use to visually improve the presentation of our certificate and add a dash of personality to it. Lastly, in the Backdrops tab, we can customize the colors and the design of the backdrop and what pattern we want of the certificate that we want to give to our students. So if we're happy with all that, let's go ahead and click Publish to complete the certificate and publish it. Now, if we go back to the certificate settings again, we can see that our certificate shows up here. But how do we add it to a course? To do that, we can go over to any course we have, and if we scroll down to the certificate template section of the backend course builder, we can see the template that we've just made. And that's it for the certificate settings of Tutor LMS. We hope this video helped you out. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to let us know in the comments, and we'll see you all in the next one.